Welcome everyone to SmartWay Forsage Trust Wallet video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get started on your phone through the Trust Wallet. You can download the app. Guys, they actually have video tutorials on how to do that. And you can actually buy Ethereum through your Trust Wallet and stuff like that. They do have video tutorials on how to do that. But for this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started. So real quick, I'm logged into this Forsage SmartWay back office. I'm going to copy the referral link from the member. And guys, if you get into this program, basically you should receive a referral link from your sponsor. And then you'll be able to get into the program on your phone. So real quick, I'm going to hit copy. Here go to affiliate your link. And I'm going to hit copy real quick. Right here, which is the button right there. Okay, it's copying. Now what I'm gonna do now is exit. Scroll up something so I can hit the exit button. I'll go to the Trust Wallet. Okay, I'm gonna scroll to the phone. Find the Trust Wallet on my app because it's already downloaded. Put in my code. I done downloaded the Trust Wallet. So I'm putting in the code. I'm already in my back office. I'm gonna hit Ethereum. Of course, this is how you buy Ethereum if you was new to this. After you downloaded your Trust Wallet, what you would do is you'll click on Ethereum. Then you'll see buy button at the top right, guys. Those of you that need to buy Ethereum so you can get into this program, click buy. Guys, also the minimum is not $250. Don't panic. It's $50 minimum. And guys, it'll be worth the investment to even buy Ethereum right now because it's going up. It's just my opinion. So you'll just put $50 there. Of course, it'll take you through that process, but I'm not going to do that. It's easy steps to follow, and you can actually pay with whatever merchants and whatever card they allow you to pay with. But for this video, I already got Ethereum. I'm just showing you how you can buy so you can get into this program. You need approximately to start in this program one time out of pocket. You start with 0.055, which is approximately about $15 one time out of your pocket at this moment at the current rate of Ethereum. So I'm gonna just hit the back button. And guys, I'm gonna actually get into the program. You see, I did copy the SmartWay Forsage address, and I got it from the sponsor. So now I'm about to join this program. You see my wallet is already funded. I got $50 there. I'm gonna hit dApps. Now on Androids, it's a button that say dApps, D-A-P-P-S. You need to click that. On Apple, I believe it say browser. So either phone brand that you have, basically that's the button you need to hit. So for me, for Android, I'm gonna hit dApps at the bottom left. What I'm gonna do, y'all see at the top, they got search or enter website URL. I'm gonna paste the address I copied from SmartWay Forsage, or you just paste the address that you received from your sponsor, the actual website referral link. So I'm gonna paste it there. This is mine. So now once I paste it, I'm gonna hit the little search icon. Right, you'll see it popped up. This is what's supposed to pop up. Hit done at the bottom. Now it's gonna search it. See, it's actually going to the website through the referral link. Now, guys, all I got to do is click the green button, automatic sign up. And once you hit automatic, which is, of course, it's in Russian, you can change the language. Hit the little RU button. That's the flag. Click that and change it to English. Then just hit automatic login and registration. All right, it's gonna check availability for you. Just hit registration. All right, it's telling you the amount. Remember, I told you it costs 0.05 Ethereum to get in, which is approximately up to $15. So I'm gonna just hit approve. It's gonna confirm the transaction. Guess what? I'm about to be a member. It's showing the actual, y'all see the status. It's showing pending. I'm gonna wait till it say confirm, which should happen within a minute. The main thing is fund your Trust Wallet account with some funds, and then get the referral link from your sponsor, paste it in that search box like I showed you as a recap, and log in automatically. And then register, and this transaction receipt will pop up to prove to you that it's going through and it's going to be confirmed. Guys, I'm going to hit the back button because it did show confirmed, so I'm going to hit the back button. And if you hit the back button at the bottom, it should log you right on in. Yep. Y'all see I hit the little back button at the bottom left. And guess what, guys? I'm in the system. Look at this. My ID number is 1548. I am a member. So that's how you become a member, guys. It's that easy. And all you have to do, guys, keep this in mind. This program is now synced to Trust Wallet. And guess what? Anytime you need to upgrade your levels, all you got to do, guys, on your phones, when it's time, keep in mind you've been placed in 2 matrices here, guys, which means, and they all are cyclers. Each one is a cycler, which means every time on Forsage X3, you get people in under you, every third one in Forsage X3 is going to allow you to come back in, which is called reinvestment. Every third one, every third person that comes in on each level, the first 2 will always pay you on each level on Forsage X3. And guess what? The third person automatic go to your sponsor. But what's going to happen is going to reinvest. Your earnings is going to become a reinvestment for you to earn on level 1 over and over and over again. And you'll be able to do that for all levels, guys, on Forsage X3. Also on Forsage X4, it's the same concept. You got 6 people here. So you'll be earning on all these levels simultaneously, guys. And the first 2 on Forsage X3 on each level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as it continue all the way to 12, your first 2 always pass up to your sponsor. And 3, 4, 5, it's going to actually pay you direct. And your 6th person is going to go to your sponsor. So basically on Forsage X3, 3 going to always come to you as payments, and 3 going to always pass up to your sponsor. And guys, these are cyclers, which mean it's unending. And guys, please note also, this program, also, once you buy that level, once you buy each level, it's permanent. You never have to buy that level again. It's powerful, guys. And how do you buy it? Just hit the little basket, guys. It's a little shopping cart. When it's time for you to buy, just hit the button like this. If I'm going to buy level 2, it's going to ask you, do you want to confirm? You just hit OK. It'll automatic pull from your Trust Wallet. So that's how you buy. So guys, and also Forsage X3 is where all your direct referrals will show up at. And guys, guess what? And Forsage X4, that's when the whole community, your directs and your members will be filling up under that as well. So the whole community can earn. And it's just amazing. Also, they also have other video presentations on YouTube. You can look up Forsage, Forsage, look up some presentations, and you can get a clear understanding how this works. This finally concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and get back with the person that shared this opportunity with you.